Studying requires concentration, and there are various ways to achieve this focus. One method is to find a quiet, comfortable place to study, minimizing distractions. Setting goals and making a study schedule can help keep motivated and on track. It's also important to take regular breaks, as too much studying without rest can lead to burnout. Using visual aids, like diagrams or charts, can help make information easier to digest. Another technique to aid concentration is to teach the material to someone else, reinforcing the information. For some, background music can improve focus, while for others, silence is necessary. Taking care of physical health, like staying hydrated and getting enough sleep, is also important for maintaining concentration. Engaging in regular exercise can help reduce stress and improve focus. Lastly, finding the right learning style, whether it's by reading, listening, or doing hands-on activities, can make studying more effective. By experimenting with these various methods, individuals can find the best ways to concentrate on their studies, improving their learning experience and overall performance.